My name is Dragon Redbeard, and this is Speed Train Upper Body. And I'm kind of excited for it. I mean, come on, it's upper body, but I'm still feeling it from yesterday. Seriously, my abs put in some work yesterday. So let's work the arms. When I tell you shoulders are not my thing, I don't mind working them, but the fact is I can't do a lot with them. I had to drop weight twice in the military press. Urgh. And then that snuck up on the end, that reverse curls, that overhand curl, I don't like those either. Because I grabbed the puny 5-pound weight and God, this hurts so much. Please like, comment, or share if you want to continue to see me on this journey for whatever reason. And lower body, that's tomorrow. Yay, a leg day.